Have you ever pushed code to the wrong branch on GitHub? It's a common mistake, and it can feel pretty frustrating. But don't worry. Today we're going to show you how to reverse that last push and get your code back on track. I totally understand how annoying it is to realize you've pushed to the master branch when you meant to push to a new branch. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers have faced this issue at some point. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user recently asked, "How can I reverse my last push on GitHub after mistakenly pushing to the master branch?" If this sounds familiar, stick around as we explore the solution together. So, what happens when you push to the wrong branch? Essentially, your changes are now part of the master branch, and you need to revert that commit to clean things up. Let's break down how to do this step by step. And don't go anywhere. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip to help you avoid this issue in the future. To reverse the last push on GitHub, the user should first identify the commit they want to undo. This can be done by checking the commit history. Next, the user needs to reset the master branch to the previous commit. This will effectively remove the last push from the master branch. After resetting the master branch, the user should create a new branch where they want to push their changes. This can be done with a simple command. Now, the user can push their changes to the new branch. This ensures that the changes are safely stored in the correct branch. Finally, the user should verify that the changes have been pushed correctly by checking the repository on GitHub. Fun fact: the first version control systems were created in the 1970s, and they were nothing like the Git we use today. We've come a long way in managing our code. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves using the git log command. This command will display a log of all your commits. After identifying the commit you want to revert to, you can use git reset with the hard option, followed by the commit ID, to reset your branch to that specific commit. Here's that quick tip I promised. Always double-check your branch before pushing. A simple command like git branch can save you from a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You've successfully reversed your last push and pushed your changes to the correct branch. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and remember to check out our other videos for more Git tricks.